Once upon a time, Sammy, a cute otter, lived a pleasant life deep in the forest. Sammy had a lovely house by the stream. This house was not only a shelter for Sammy, but also a treasure trove of memories and special things. But one day the sky began to cry. Heavy raindrops fell on the forest and flooded Sammy's house. For Sammy, this spelled disaster. All the loving memories inside his house disappeared under the water. Sammy was heartbroken to see his home destroyed, but there was a glimmer of hope. As he sat sadly in the water, wondering what to do, other otters in the forest noticed him. When they learned of Sammy's desperation and the cause of his sadness, they immediately decided to band together. In the spirit of solidarity and cooperation, they took action together. First, the otters came together to create a gigantic waterfall of solidarity. This mesmerizing waterfall would provide the water needed to rebuild Sammy's house and would also be used to transport materials. Sammy's house would be a symbol of hope and unity, rising up around this waterfall of solidarity. Each otter contributed with their own special talents. Some placed colorful flowers from deep in the forest, while others carried special stones to strengthen the walls of the house. A group of otters came together to plan the layout of the rooms inside the house. Working together, they quickly made Sammy's house more beautiful, colorful, and durable than ever. When Sammy saw his home again with the help of his friends, his eyes lit up with joy. This once again showed the strength of solidarity and interconnectedness among the otters in the forest. Imagining a world where everyone helps each other, where challenges are easily overcome, was indeed the key to achieving great things. And from that day on, the otters in the forest became even closer. After each rain, the waterfall of solidarity began to flow, carrying not only water, but also love, understanding, and help for each other. The otters learned from this story how important it is to help each other, to show solidarity and love. They realized that when they work together, they overcome difficulties more easily, and their forest becomes even more interconnected. And this beautiful learning taught the otters the value of supporting each other and sharing beauty together throughout their lives.